welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to get some more content out for you, so I got a quick one today. Back in March of 2024, I bought a new truck. I got myself a Ram 2500, which meant that I had to change my radio. I did put the FTM 400 head right there, and I actually placed the radio underneath my seat, which is the first time I've ever done that. Seems to work okay. It's been there for 6 months. I did it in June or something, so 7 months. The problem is I didn't mount the speaker, and it's been sitting right there in my cup holder. So what I have, and I've seen it on a different video, is this. It's hard to see. Okay, there we go. This will mount, those things there will mount on my headrest posts, and my speaker will mount on this. It has an adjustment where you can slide it in and out. So I'm going to hook that up today and see how it goes. I think it'll work great, and it'll get me my cup holder back. So we'll see how it goes, and I'll bring you back shortly. So guys, as you can see, it's got a mount here that you can adjust fully. Slides in and out, lock. These are quick release, and fully adjustable on the edge here. And as you can see, it's only got 2 holes here, but thankfully the Yaesu speaker has great different amount of options, so I'm going to try and connect that, and then I'll get it out to the truck. All right, so here's the finished product. I took a couple pictures to show you the mounting setup, but the speaker is right there, right next to my shoulder, right into my ear, pointing at me. There's lots of mounting options where I can change that around. The holes didn't line up for 2 holes, and so I just put 1 screw in it for now. I will certainly be taking a drill when the weather warms and put a hole through the actual speaker mount rather than the plastic part, and remount it. But it'll be fine for now. I got 1 screw there. It's pretty solid. It's pretty tight. And if it gives me any problems, I'll take it apart and bring it in and do it sooner. So anyway, 7-3. Thanks for watching.